Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to attach file or how to upload a file in contact form which is built with contact form 7 plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request to you, please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then let's get started. Go to the website. This is a website which I built only for this tutorial purpose, and you can see very fast it shows main menu. If I navigate to the contact us page from the right side, just click over here. This is the contact form which I built with contact form 7 plugin. Now we can see it has some fields like name, email, phone number, subject and message. I want to add a more field which is file attached field or file upload field. Then if anybody want, then they will be able to send file like image, PDF file or doc file. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show it. If you want to make this type of contact form, already I have published this tutorial. So if you go to my YouTube channel and check playlist, then just check contact form 7 tutorials, then we will get it how to create contact form with contact form 7 plugin. So if you check this video, then you will be able to make this type of contact form. Okay, so after making this contact form, you can add the field. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard, then hover over on contact, just click over here contact form. That's why already I have created the contact form. So I do not want to make a new contact form. If I want to make a new contact form, then I have to click over here, but I want to add the field in my existing contact form. So click over here contact forms. This is the contact form which I built in this previous video. If you check it, then you will get it. Okay, so this is the contact form. Just click over here edit. Okay, so I want to add the file upload or file attached field just below this field, phone number field. Okay, so again go to the editor and you can see this is the phone number. Just copy this field, then enter and give, just paste it here. Then I am to give it here like upload your file. Okay, this it will be like label upload your file. Upload your file. Then I can remove this shortcode which is used for the phone number. Just remove it, then select this area, and from the right side top you can see this is the file actually, form, then text, different types of input field. I have to select file. That's why I want to add a field which is file attached or file upload file. So just click over here, then you have to select this area. Okay, just confirm it. You can see this is my cursor is blinking here, so click here file. Then finally uploading field. This is a record field. No, actually I do not want to record it. If you want, then you can check it. Okay, so field name file 902. I want to give like 5 upload 7 or anything else, you can do it. I want to keep it default file. Okay, then class attribute, it does not need right now. Then the accepted file, you can accept the file extension for here. Just I want to give like JPG, PNG, okay, PDF. Just type here very fast JPG. Then you have to give a separator which is pipe sign or character. Okay, so give here like pipe sign. Then again give here another extension PNG. Okay, then again give pipe sign for the separation, then GIF zip file, then again give separator, and I want to give like docs, and finally I want to give here PDF. Okay, so if you want, then you can give more file extension here. Then the file size limit, you can say you have to write here in byte. Okay, so in byte, so MB I want to give like 5 MB file upload, so I can convert from online. Just I have to write here MB to byte converter. This is the MB to byte converter. Okay, just you have to write here conversion. This is the website. Okay, now I want to give like 5 MB file. Okay, then convert it. Just what you can see, this is the binary number you have to give it. If you want, then you can give here 10 MB. Just give it and convert it. Don't worry, I have given this website in this video description. You can convert from here. Okay, just copy this value byte and definitely it will be binary. Just copy it and go to the editor, then paste it here. Finally, insert tag, just click over here. Then you can see our file upload field is ready. Now save it. Go to the website and refresh this contact us page and check it. You can see your upload your file. You can see this is the field. Okay, now check it. So I can type here my name, email address and phone number and choose file. Okay, I want to give like this file, this image, open it. Then the subject, just okay, this is the dump text. Okay, check it and submit it. Okay, you can see it works. Okay, thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now check this message. Go to my Gmail account. Okay, this is my Gmail and you can see I have received the email, and unfortunately the upload images or file did not come here. Okay, so go to the editor and fix it. Again, go to the editor and you can see if I navigate to from to mail tab, then you can see this is the file upload shortcode which is bold. Just copy it. Okay, just scroll down and you have to give here the code. Okay, this is the file attachment. This is the actually field key. You have to give it here, then save it. Again, go to the contact us page and refresh this page, and again I have to send a message again. Okay, so give here, again upload this file. Okay, and subject, this is the test and this is the message. Okay, submit it and go to the email and you can check it. Just wait a few moments. You can see I have received this email. Just click over here and you can see the upload image is works perfectly. Okay, so you have to just keep in mind, you have to give this file field key here. Okay, file attachment, then it will work perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question about it, or if you face any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I will respond as soon as possible.